Okay, so here's why some Part 145 repair stations explode with growth while others slowly bleed talent, customers, and credibility. Culture. McLaren Formula One is a great example. Zac Brown once said, "We tackle problems here, we don't tackle people." That's the whole game. In a repair station, a weak culture buries mistakes, plays the blame game with mechanics, and takes the director of maintenance's focus away from safety and excellence. But a strong culture does the exact opposite. It makes the techs comfortable raising concerns before a sign off. It makes the IA respected, not treated like a speed bump. It makes training normal and not a punishment. Lando Norris, the reigning Formula One champ, once said his biggest motivation is trying to make his team happy. That matters because winning is not just about the driver or the director of maintenance or the accountable manager. It's the whole pit crew, it's the whole team. Build a culture where people can speak up, fix fast, and own the standard. That's how to build a champion crew and a 145. AeroShield just finished a powerful webinar on 145 culture. The link is in the comments.